Find the derivative of each of the following. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, we want to look at differential equation, but before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe so that and turn on the notification bell for more. Thank you. The question says find the derivative of each of the following. Find the derivative of each of the following. Number 1, y is equal to 6x raised to power 3 plus 5x squared minus 8x plus 3. Question number 2 6, f of s is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x plus 1. Question number 3 6, y is equal to 3x squared plus 4 over x minus 2. And number 4 6, y is equal to 2x plus 1 open bracket and close bracket x minus 3 open and close bracket. And the last question says f of s is equal to 2x raised to power 3 minus 4x plus 8. Now, solution. Solution. Let's start from the first question. Question number 1 6. Y is equal to 6x raised to power 3 plus 5s squared minus 8x plus 3. Therefore, the y, the x is equal to, that is, you are differentiating y with respect to x. Then, before you can do that, we're going to use method called times and remove or times and take. That is, we have derivative of 6x raised to power 3 d of x plus d of 5x squared d of x minus derivative of 8x over d of x plus d of 3 d of x. This implies that our dy, ds is equal to what? 3 times 6, that is 18, 18x, then you subtract 1 from the power. 3 minus 1 is 2, plus we have, this is square, 5 times 2, 10, x, if you subtract 1 from these two, it will be what? 1. Then minus, this one is x. If you differentiate x, it will give you 1. And the derivative of 8 is 8 times 1 is what? 8. Then if you differentiate constant, you get 0. So that is the answer. This method is called times and take, or mathematically it is given as n x raised to power n minus 1, and our n is the power, where our n is always the power. That is, take it for instance, from this equation we have, that is, we have 6 x to the power 3, 6x to the power 3. Our n is equal to what? 3. Then let's apply the formula. We already have 6. We have 6 times our n is what? 3 s raised to power. If you remove n minus 1, 3 minus 1. It's got what? 6 and 3, 18. 3 minus 1 is 2, x squared. Oh. Question number 2. Number 2. We have 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x plus 1. That is f of s is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x plus 1. You have solution. F of x is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x plus 1. Then we have f prime of x. That is, you are differentiating with respect to s. Will be equal to what? This 4 times 3. 4 times 3 f raised to power 4 minus 1 minus 6 s to the power 1 minus 1. If you differentiate this, is 0. This implies that f prime of x is equal to 4 times 3, 12 s raised to the power 3 minus 6. Answer number 3. Y is equal to 3x squared plus 4 over x minus 2. This can be rewritten as y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 minus 2. Therefore, the y, the s will be equal to 2 times 3, 6x, 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 6x plus 4 times minus 1 minus 1, s raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then if you differentiate this, it's constant, 0. We have the y, the x will be equal to what? 6x minus 4s raised to the power minus 2. Answer. That is 4 minus 4 minus 1 times 4 is equal to minus 4. Then s raised to the power minus 1 is minus 2. Number 4. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Then into bracket x minus 3. The first thing is open bracket. Open bracket. Therefore, y is equal to 2x times x. We have 2x squared. Then 2x times minus 3 minus 6x. 2x times minus 3. It will be minus 6s. That is 2 times minus 3 minus 6 times x, 6s. Then 1 times x is plus x. Then 1 plus 1 times minus 3 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2x squared minus 6x plus s minus 5x minus 3. Now, to differentiate, we have the y, the s will be equal to what? 2 times 2, 4x. That is 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 5. Answer. Number 5. F of x is equal to 2x raised to power 3 minus 4x plus 8. Then f prime of x is equal to what? 2 times 3 s to the power 3 minus 1 minus 4 s to the power 1 minus 1 plus, if you take the derivative of constant, it will be what? 0. This implies that f prime of x is equal to 2 times 3, 6s squared minus 4, because s raised to power 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. That is how we get this 2. 2 times 3 is 6x raised to power 3 minus 1, 2, then minus 4. Answer. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.